Welcome back to another vlog. It is my Sunday night routine. We're about to do that. Just playing some Roblox. But right now we're gonna go do my workout. Need to get back into the routine of doing that. So let's go do that real quick. There is literally a blizzard going on. Like there's so much snow out. So it's gonna be mad cold in my basement. And I have a mess to clean up. So when I get back from my workout, I gotta reorganize a lot of things. I gotta move this off my bench press. Woo. Alright, let's start out with some curls. Alright, so I'm done with my workout. I'm about to get some food, some sushi or something. Actually, I'm gonna get some yogurt. Alright, I'm gonna be playing One of Us. Pretty good game, underrated, not going even long. So I'm gonna play that and then I'm gonna pick up the camera and start to clean my room. I'm gonna clean my room real quick before I hop on a call with my cousin. Play One of Us, You vs. Homer, some games. So let's clean my room real quick. I've been just on my phone chilling, play a little bit of Roblox, but now do a few dishes, then I get into my nighttime routine. So let's go do that. I'm about to clean these dishes. I'll pick the camera up once these dishes are done. Alright, we are done with those dishes, so let me get into my night routine. Oh, this has been my night routine, but you get the point. If you hear a whistling noise, that is this, but I have to be quiet. First thing I do is brush my teeth, so I'm gonna go do that. Alright, I just finished brushing my teeth. Now we're gonna do my exfoliating cleanser, and then I have some other stuff to put on after I get out of this bathroom. So I'm gonna put this on, so I'm gonna wet my face. I just washed my face, now I'm gonna apply Piercer Gel 10. Not too crazy with skincare, I don't do too much, but yeah, but after this I am going to head to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, try to reach 100 before the end of January. It's very possible. We just need 3 more people. It's like really easy to make your boy happy, and yeah, it's free. Might as well just do it. Anyways, peace.
Even though your worst days, girl, you still kinda cute. If it go down, I'm gon' protect you. Pull that stick out, shoot. All I want is your love. Ain't see no bitch out to you.